This is the discussion board lead video for week 5 on Bucks Sporting Goods. Imagine you are the chief financial officer for a large sporting goods company, Bucks Sporting Goods. Every few years, new retail stores open up in various parts of the country. Your job is to determine, based on market research, where to open your next retail outlet. Your team of analysts has narrowed down the location of the store to 3 counties. The counties currently have populations of 2.4 million people, 2.7 million people, and 2.05 million people for Alpha County, Beta County, and Gamma County, respectively. Based on the analysis of the last few years of population change, it is estimated that the population for Alpha County is expected to decrease by 100,000 people per year, while Beta County is expected to decrease in size by 4% per year, and Gamma County is expected to increase in size by 2% per year. You plan on breaking ground on construction in exactly 4 years. If it is your goal to build the store in the county with the largest population size, where should you plan on building and why? What if the economy causes the groundbreaking to postpone an extra 2 years? In this screen, we have at a glance the county population size and their expected decrease per year or increase per year. As we can see, Alpha County is at 2.4 million in population size with an expected decrease of 100,000 per year. Beta County at 2.7 million with an expected decrease of 4% per year, and Gamma County a population size of 2.05 million with an expected increase of 2% per year. For these problems, we're using the equation y equals a times b to the x. And as we can see, for Alpha County in year 0, we're at 2.4 million. In year 4, population has decreased to 2 million residents, and if we were to postpone another 2 years, in year 6 there would be 1.8 million residents after 6 years. So the final population would be substantially lower, a decrease of quite a few residents over the years. In Beta County, we start out in year 0 with 2.7 million. After 4 years, we reach just under 2.3 million. And if the population continues to decrease and the groundbreaking is postponed another 2 years, the population would be at 2.1 million after 6 years. With Gamma County, it is the county with the smallest initial population. However, it is the only county that has an increase in population size over the years. We can see that after 4 years, the population would be 2.2 million. And if the population continues to increase and groundbreaking is postponed another 2 years, the population size will have grown to 2.3 million. In conclusion, as the CFO, if my goal is to build in the county with the largest population, I would select Beta County to build in. With a current population of 2.7 million and an annual decrease of 4% per year, In 4 years, the population would be the highest of the three counties at 2.29 million. If there were a need to postpone construction another 2 years beyond that and the population continues to decrease, the county with the highest population would be Gamma County at 2.3 million. As a CFO, my recommendation would be to build in Gamma County due to its steady increase in population. Building in a shrinking city, even though it has a larger population, may not be the best selection for sustainability. Thank you for watching.